take out this piece. So I've got a leak right here. I can feel it wet here. There's so much diesel that's fallen through that it's actually dripping down underneath the engine. So there's this is called the overflow fuel line. It goes to the injector. So it's leaking here. So I'm just gonna see if there's a O-ring that I can replace. I'll just pull this out. See what the O-ring looks like. So it's a tiny little O-ring there. I'm guessing, see that little O-ring? I'm guessing it's the same one that they use at the other end of this hose that goes to the injectors themselves. So I'm just gonna replace that ring and see if that fixes my leaking problem. So this is the O-ring. It's 2.8 mil by 1.5 mil. And this is the part number, but I'll put into the description. So there's the new ring, and you can see it's actually a little bit bigger than the pipe itself. The old one was so brittle, it just actually snapped as I was taking it out. So now I'm just gonna put it back in. Just like that. And then I'll put the clip in so that it stays in place. So since replacing the O-ring in this tube here, I have no more leak. I've driven it for over an hour. Everything is dry underneath, so that O-ring did the trick.